Hi, boys and girls. Today we are learning about the largest bodies of water in the world. So let's move on to our learning target. I can look closely at a map, globe, or photograph so I can observe the ocean habitat. I will know I have it when I can identify an animal that lives in this habitat. You have schema and know maps and globes can help us locate a place. Photographs help us see how someone or something looks. Yesterday, we learned about freshwater habitats like rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. Have you ever been to the ocean? Let's go over some vocabulary. Geographic tools. We know that those are maps, globes, and even photographs. A map is a flat drawing of a place or part of the world. Globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. A photograph is an image to show how someone or something looks. Bodies of water are areas with a large amount of water, such as rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, oceans, bays, and gulfs. Ocean, a very large body of salt water. Plants are living things that make their own food. Animals are living things that need food and water to survive. Habitat is a place that provides plants and animals with food, water, air, and space so they can survive. Our focus today: what can we learn by reading a map, globe, or looking at a picture of the ocean? There are 5 oceans on Earth. And if we look at the United States map, we see the Pacific Ocean on the west coast. We see the Atlantic Ocean on the east coast. But maps and globes help us locate places. So let's see if we can locate all 5 oceans on this world map. Here's the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So that's all 5 huge bodies of water. Next, you will see a slide that's all about the oceans, and it's just a very short video to tell you about the type of water that makes up the ocean. The next slide that you will see will be Brain Pop Jr., and it's about ocean habitat. So it will be about the life and the plants and animals that are in that ocean habitat. As I look at this slide, I know there are 5 oceans, and we found them on the world map. And as I look at this globe, there is a lot of blue on it. And I know I have some schema that the blue represents bodies of water or water, a river, a lake, a stream. In this case, it's huge areas of blue water. So I can tell looking at this globe that most of the earth is covered by salt water in the oceans. It is your turn to do some work. And I know I ask you to do that, and you all are so good about being scientists and willing to work. I have included a picture in this slide, and I want you to get out your spiral notebook, turn to a blank page, put today's date on it, and I want you to draw and label a picture of the ocean in your spiral notebook. And some of you may say, Mrs. Roy, I've never been to the ocean, but you've experienced the ocean in this lesson. So from your experience, what did you learn about the ocean? And draw that picture. Label it with the name of the body of water, ocean. And then I want you to write one sentence that is a fact that you learned about the ocean under your picture. As we reflect and think back over this lesson of this huge body of salt water and the habitat that plants and animals live in and how they survive and what they need in that habitat to survive, I want you to think, as a scientist, what did you discover? And as a learner, maybe where did you get stuck? Was there some part of the lesson that was hard for you? If so, you can write that in your spiral notebook and we can talk about that. I want you to enjoy visiting the ocean and learning where they are located on the map. The map can tell us how big it is. We can see it. And I want you to just enjoy this experience of learning about the ocean. I'll see you.